In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a page from your Business Manager. This is an essential skill to master if you're managing multiple pages and need to keep your workspace organized. Let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll want to navigate over to your Business Manager account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu. This menu is your control center. Everything you need can be accessed from here. You're going to look for the Pages option, which is conveniently located under the Accounts tab. Clicking on Pages will bring up a list of all the pages that are currently associated with your Business Manager. Now, scroll through the list and find the specific page you want to remove. Selecting the wrong page could lead to some unnecessary complications, so take a moment to double-check that you've selected the right one. This helps ensure that you're working with the correct page that you intend to manage. Once you've confirmed the page you want to remove is highlighted, look for the Remove button. This button is your key to beginning the removal process. Clicking it will trigger a confirmation message to pop up. This message is just a friendly reminder from Business Manager, letting you know that once you proceed, this page will no longer be accessible from within Business Manager. It's a useful checkpoint to ensure you're really ready to part ways with this page in your portfolio. At this point, if everything checks out and you're sure of your decision, click on Remove Page from Business Portfolio again to confirm. This final click is what completes the process. The page will now be removed from your Business Manager account, resulting in a bit more streamlined, clutter-free workspace. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few quick tips. Always ensure you have the necessary permissions to make these changes, as only certain users may have the ability to remove pages. Also, consider notifying any team members who might be affected by this change, especially if they were utilizing the page for advertising or analytics purposes. Clear communication goes a long way in any business setting. And that's it. You now know how to successfully remove a page from your Business Manager account. Thank you for watching, and remember, keeping your Business Manager organized not only helps you work more efficiently, but also helps your team stay on track with their tasks. If you found this video helpful, feel free to check out other tutorials and tips to make the most out of your Business Manager experience.